We'll guide you through how to make your Instagram account public. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. You'll know you currently have a private Instagram account because on your profile page, there'll be a padlock to the left of your username, and also you'll have to go and review followers. So to go and make your account public, all you need to do is come to your profile page and click on the three lines in the top right, like so, and then go and click on settings and privacy. And then what you need to do is go and scroll down into the section which says who can see your content, and then click on account privacy. And then what you'll need to do is go and turn off private account. So simply click on the switch, and then as you can see it says switch to public account. It says anyone can see your posts, reels and stories, and anyone can use your original audio and text. And there's a few other points here as well, which you should make sure you understand. If you're ready, click on switch to public. And there we go. You've now switched your account to public. And now all of those changes will be in effect, so anybody can see your posts, anybody can follow you and use your audio and all that stuff. And that's it, guys. If you found this useful and you want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have an awesome day.